guys, welcome to today's vlog. So it's Sunday morning and I'm heading out with my family. We're gonna go out on the road. There was a place that I visited years ago that was a wonderful buffet and I can't wait to go there. I'm going to, of course, film all the food and everything. So let's head on over. We're going to go to Plant City, Florida. And of course, if you're a new gem here, welcome to Life with Marlene. I do vlogs of Florida, my lifestyle, experiences, and the things that I go through. And I may even throw in a challenge here or there. So let's head on out. Keep watching. So I did not know that the location I was going to had shut down. When I arrived there, I saw that the Buddy Freddy's had now turned into a Chick-fil-A, which surprised me. So I was like, okay, what do I do? So I'm showing you here, okay, where is the location? So I had to put it into the Google Maps, and I found that the Buddy Freddy's was sold, and now it's a Fred's Marketplace restaurant. So we're gonna head over there right now. So hold on and let's ride over to Fred's Marketplace. So now I have arrived at Fred's Marketplace. It was about a 10-minute drive from that other location. So here we are at Fred's Marketplace. I'm going to show you, this is the outside of the building. It's a place where you can sit with a rocking chair. And this is the other side. As you can see, the building was decorated really nice and it looked like it was newly renovated. So let's go inside. You can take out or you can eat at the buffet. So the dinner there at the buffet, it had all of these items, and the amount of the dinner buffet was $20.76 for adults.
Fried chicken. Big old pot of cranberry sauce. I love cranberry sauce. Those rolls look good, don't they? Oh, Lord. I'm just gonna taste this dressing. Ooh, that looks like chicken and dumplings. Oh, that must be tartar sauce. Cornbread. Ooh, it looks like steamed cabbage. Looks like cornbread dressing. Lisa, this place looks way better than Buddy Freddy's.
Did you see the to-go containers? They're not big. Big styrofoam containers. They don't want people piling up food. Alright, I'll go get it. You have to be very strategic on that. You can really hurt yourself here. You know that, right?
Sweet potato casserole, mashed potatoes, fried chicken, chicken and dumplings.
Did you say